If you are curious about how to migrate your legacy applications or any application to containers running on Google Cloud, then this workshop, which is happening on 25th May, will help you a lot. I have seen the contents of this workshop, and I can tell you this is one of the best workshops out there if you're looking to implement the containerization for your application on the Google Cloud. And even if you're not working in the Google Cloud, let's say if you're working in AWS or Azure, and if you want to learn how to containerize your applications, I still believe this can help you a lot. Now, if you are focused on Google Cloud, then this workshop can also help you to choose between Google Kubernetes Engine or GKE or Cloud Run and Anthos, giving you the flexibility to choose a container service that best meets your need. And similar services are also present in AWS, like you can use uh, AWS Container Service, and then also you can whether to run it on the lambda, like which is a serverless function, or ECS, or whatever your, or EKS, which is AWS managed Kubernetes. So whatever your need is, this workshop should help you out. Also, if you're Google specific again, with their global network of data center, you can deploy the containers wherever your users are, which obviously improves performance and reduces the latency. And there are variety of tools and resources to help you manage and deploy your containers, including the Google Cloud Console or G Cloud CLI, and also the GKE dashboard. Last but not least, you will also be learning about the security, especially when it comes to containers, because I have seen that Google and also other cloud providers take security very seriously. And so you will also learn about the features like role-based access control or RBAC and network policies and encryption. And it's free. So if you have time and if you're free on that day, I would highly suggest you register for this workshop and then learn about containerizing your applications. I will also put the link to this workshop in the video's description so that it will be easier for you to register. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. Thanks.